So in this Blender video, we're going to show you how to create faces with the Inset tool. So there's two ways to do it. One is with the cylinder selected, press Tab, and that will put you in edit mode. So you can select the Inset Faces right here, and then just select, go to Faces here, up here in the edit mode. See, Shift, select all of these, then you can go to Inset Faces, and then move things to make those faces. Another way is, let's see, shift+i. I. Just pressing I, you can create Inset Faces as well. So those are two different ways to create Inset Faces. So now let's go and do that. Press 3. Now you're on the side. Press the see-through, and then we're gonna select the Inset Faces with these faces selected. But another thing is we also want the faces in the back selected. So go 3 and then select them as well. Shift. Oh, there we are. All right, and there we are. See, all faces in the front and back selected. Press 3, then press the Inset Faces, and there we are. That's 1 and 2. All right. So then that's all our Inset Faces that we have. Get out of the see-through and go to, all right, so looks pretty good. And there it is. You can create faces like this.